We are now going to work on a fraction subtraction problem. The first thing I want you to remember is that negative 14 over 7 can also be written as negative 14 over a positive 7, or you can copy that 14 over 7 again and put the negative in the denominator. Each of these are equivalent. These are all the same fraction, really. They're just written in different ways. This is the way I want you to write it when we're subtracting fractions or adding fractions. So I put the negative in the numerator. This also gives me a chance to give myself a little bit of room so I can make my changes. So I want to move this 4/7 over here a little bit further to the right, and you'll see why in a second. So I'm going to change the color that I'm using. Pink might show up better. Let's try that. And then we're going to change the subtraction to adding by adding the opposite. So I change the subtraction to addition sign, and then I also need to change this to a negative. Now think about it. Where would you put the negative? In the middle, in the denominator, or in the numerator? I would put it in the numerator because remember, we are going to be adding the numerators. We're going to focus on that. So you want to put the negative at the top. You want to put the negative with the numerator. All right, from here, you drag the denominators. We're checking to make sure that the denominators are the same because when you're adding or subtracting fractions, the denominators have to be the same. So the denominator stays the same. Then we are adding these two. This is an addition sign now in between. So we apply our addition rules. If the signs are the same, you add. If the signs are different, you subtract. Well, the signs are both negatives. So the signs are the same, so we add. So negative 14 plus a negative 4 is negative 18. So we get negative 18/7, which we could also write as 18 over negative 7, or we could put the negative by the fraction bar, put it in the middle, and write our answer as negative 18/17. This is how most people would record their answer.